And now we'll go into half forward fold. Keep your feet wide. Inhale, raise your hands up. And exhale, go only halfway down. Extend your arms forward, hold there. You can bend your knees if you feel any pressure in the back. Bend your knees as much as you want. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. Feel the burn in your shoulders. 4, 5. Allow your shoulders to burn. Meditate on that burn. 6, 7, 8. Make sure chest is as low as possible and arms as up as possible. 9, 10. And inhale, come up. Breathe. Exhale, relax, relax.